In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite your accountant to QuickBooks Online. Adding your accountant to QuickBooks Online gives them secure, direct access to your books so they can reconcile accounts, review reports, and help you stay compliant without you having to export files back and forth. You'll want to be signed in as a company admin to complete this, since only admins can add or manage users. Start on your QuickBooks Online home screen. Look to the upper right and click the settings icon, the small gear. This opens a panel with all the key administrative options you'll use to manage your company and its users. From there, choose Manage Users. This is where you control who has access to your company. You may see your regular users listed by role, but for your accountant, there's a dedicated area designed specifically for accounting professionals. Open the Accounting Firms tab. This section is different from the standard user list. Inviting an accounting firm doesn't usually count against your user limit, and it grants your accountant special tools, like accountant-only reports and adjusting journal entry features, so they can work efficiently without changing your usual setup. Next, select Invite Firm. This brings up the invitation screen where you'll provide the contact details for the person or firm you want to add. If you work with a team at a firm, you can invite the main contact, and they can manage who within their firm accesses your books. Click into the field to enter your accountant's email. Make sure you're using the email address that they prefer for QuickBooks access. If you're unsure, a quick check with your accountant will prevent delays or bounced invites. Enter the first name and last name of your accounting contact. Accuracy matters here. Clear identification helps you keep track of who has access, and it ensures the invite looks professional and reaches the right person. If your accountant uses a shared firm inbox, you can still include a contact name so you know who the invite was intended for. Type in the email address carefully, double checking for typos. A small mistake here is the most common reason invitations don't arrive. When everything looks correct, click Save. This sends the invitation right away. You'll see the accounting firm listed with a pending status until they accept. If they don't receive the email within a few minutes, ask them to check their spam or junk folder, and you can resend the invite from the same page. That's it. You've securely invited your accountant to QuickBooks Online, giving them the access they need while you stay in control of your books.